Hi guys, so good evening and welcome back to my magical world. It's me, Frostbite Goddess, your favorite celebrity here in the Philippines. Let's take it slow, guys, because I've been, as usual, doing many things all at once. Trying to be alive. It's Thursday and it's March 2025, and it's 21:17 military time. Syempre, check nyo na lang guys kung ano oras na. So, um, sobrang, like, today feels, I don't know, it's a bit heavy. Not heavy, but it's just, I think everybody's just tired today. Like, I don't know why. I don't know why, but yeah, it's it's a thing. It's a thing of the day. I usually have a lot of energy when it's Thursday, but this day is a bit different, or something is, you know, I don't know, guys. So, um, how are you? So I hope my viewers are, you know, doing better than yesterday or for the past few months. Kasi, um, like, wala lang guys ha. Yung topic natin ngayon, mga walang kwentang bagay. So, ang random, ang hirap magkwento kasi medyo scattered pa yung ano ko, utak. Ayan. So, nakita ko lang may nag-post. I think it's from Netflix. It's a movie. You know, one of my old friend. Sabi, parang, ano ba yun? Yung everybody is stressed right now. So, everybody is stressed, guys. Like, we are all feeling the feels of life. Maybe yung mga younger ones, but I know they are also stressed with their homeworks, you know, assignments, daily tasks, daily chores, deadlines, and all. So, syempre, pinagdadaanan natin yung lahat. Depends, guys. Kasi may mga work from home naman na matatalino and they just know how to go with the flow and not really, do not really stress about, they just know how to handle stress better. There are some people that are like that. Basta yung quote, if this will help you, kasi this helps me a lot before. Nisip ko lang, if it won't matter in 5 years time. So, kasi a lot will not matter after 5 years of your, you know, higher self, your future self, your, the future version of you. So, if it doesn't really matter for after 5 years, don't really stress about it or don't really put a lot of energy on it. Diba? Whether it's people, situation, you know, ako for the past 3 years, like, damn, it's been too much. It's been rough, tough, and you know, yung fluctuating thing, like the trading, diba? May ups and downs. Grabe, like, yung stress level ko for the past 3 years is, hindi ko siya matake, like, sobrang annoying siya. Not only, you know, financially, but, you know, what had happened. Siguro if sumusubaybay ka sa channel ko, somehow you'll know kasi I spill it somehow. Not all the time naman, but nasa-segue ko siya. Syempre, tayo-tayo lang naman yan dito. So, ayun. I can't wait to be transferred from another location kasi siguro naman time ko naman to think about myself. Like, I've always I've always I'm always helping people. Like, hindi naman sa parang, ano ba, nanunumbat or something like that. But it's too much kasi, to the point that it's really too much. And it's taking, you know, it's taking away my peace, mental peace. My mental health is not so, you know, um, I've already know that I don't belong in this location. So, even before, but there's a purpose or there's a reason for everything. Siguro for at least, tapusin ko na lang. I'll wrap things up. And then, um, let's see. Where life will take us. Basta, not here. Not anymore. But we'll see, guys. Syempre, di pa naman natin talaga completely masasabi. But, yun. Yun nga, ayan. Dami kong daldal. So, yung last time, meeting some friends of my friends, no, friends of my relatives, guys. Kasi, hindi naman masyadong, I only go out when it's necessary. Or, when it's really quality people. So, ayan. Parang nagkakayayaan. Wala pa naman sa aking sinasabi. But, medyo alam na nila yung mga pinupuntahan kong lugar. So, baka makidnap tayo. Makidnap ng friends or relatives. So, pinupuntahan nila ako directly to where I'm at. I'm not, I'm a very private person. Like, I don't like anyone going into my workplace or like in my place or where I am. I wanted peace and quiet kasi the work that I'm doing is I'm dealing with a lot of people that are they're so needy, and basta yun. So, sana maging smooth lang yung transition from this time to the next level. Syempre, we should be in alignment with what we truly deserve, right? So, sana naging smooth, not only for me but for you guys. If you have goals that you are trying to meet, 'di ba? Sobrang sometimes we really wanted to grab it like now, like I want it now. Pero maybe when you want it now, you are not yet the right, you don't build the skill. You are not yet built. I mean, maybe you don't have the skills or you don't have the knowledge enough to be by yourself to pursue that certain goal. So, you need to take time. It needs, di ba? Needs time. It needs time and timing. Because timing is everything. So, when I really think about yung timing, sobrang yung transition, lately mo na lang siya ma-realize na you're really on the right path. Like sa akin, yung before, yung sa ayoko medyo personal kasi lahat na unang natang ikwento, basta yon. But I'm truly grateful for the people, blah blah, for all the people who have helped me to to be where I am right now. Hindi pa ako sa kanila nakakabawi. Like, gusto kong bumawi ng, I wanted to treat them well. Somewhere good, somewhere pretty, somewhere, but hindi ko pa siya ngayon, hindi pa ako masyadong capable kumbaga, hindi ko pa siya ma-access ngayon. Like, those people. So, I'm just doing basically what needs to be done every day. Hindi naman yung best. Kasi I don't, I'll give my best shot when it's the best for me. I'll give my best shot for the right kind of place, the right kind of, people. Diba? Pero right now, I don't know, guys. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm just tired. So, ayan, wala lang, nagchichikahan lang tayo. So, nag-download ako ng mga pinapakinggan kong mga, wala lang, mga hopefulness, something that motivates me. Hindi naman to yung mga, mga too much. Basta minsan pampatulog ko lang to. Kapag, nakakatulog ako, guys, kapag may nagsasalita sa background. Not necessarily, music is fine, but gusto ko yung parang kunyari, mga anong tawag dito? Ano yun? Yung nagsa-speech, motivational speakers, yung mahabang speech, yung, ba yan? Hindi ko sa dulo ng dila ko. Basta yung mga parang, experience, like, they're, sharing what their life experiences. So, yung mga ganun. So, ayan. Basta kayo, guys, pag ako talaga sobrang feeling ko na overwork na ako for the past 3 years. Tas sobrang stressful ko nung mga dati. Ngayon, ayoko nang, basta yung state ngayon, I don't like it. The state that I'm feeling right now, hindi ko to usually na-feel before. Ngayon, sobrang daming burden. Minsan, nakakaano na. Minsan, gusto kong bumasag na lang ng gusto kong may panain na lang. Or minsan, parang gusto kong na lang. Basta, syempre, ang dami ko naman, sobrang lakas naman ng self-control natin. So, I have a lot of patience acquired through experiences and time, and the nature which you have to master as a Sagittarius. So, ayan. Yan, wala na naman tayong, okay na yun, na share ko lang. So, matulog na kayo, guys, and matulog na ako. May mga gagawin pa ako dito na hindi ko magawa-gawa ng isang beses. So, I need a helper. Pero, syempre, wala naman akong wala na ngayon masyadong helper, no? Dahil sa mga pawalang kwentang ayuda ng government. Hindi kasi ako pro doon sa mga ayuda-ayuda na yan. You make them dependent on the ayudas. It's not good. Kasi everyone should value hard work. Dapat matutunan nila yun. Although, you can do it on the other way around if wala naman masyadong hard work. But, syempre, kailangan may utak ka, guys. Ganun. Basta ayoko na. Huwag mo nang tong channel ko for politics kasi giinit ang ulo ko. We're so logical people, so people are, somehow trying to balance a lot of bullshits here. So, yan. Okay, magpahinga na kayo. Sumegway lang ako. Naiwan na naman akong something from my... Basta. Sige na, guys. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. And, yun. Wala lang. Sige na. Pahinga na. Good night.